In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. First thing, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com and then log into your account. Once you log into your account, from here, just tap on your profile picture at the top right and go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. So it will open up YouTube's Creator Studio and you will be led to your channel dashboard. And here, what you have to do is on the left side of your screen, you can see different things like content analytics, comments. You just want to head over to your settings. So just click on settings. And here you will see all of your settings. So just tap on channel and go to advanced settings. So if you scroll down, you will see this option called manage YouTube account. So just click on it and it will open up another tab where you can manage your channel. Now from here, you want to go to the left side of your screen and head over to advanced settings. Just click on it and set up YouTube exactly how you want it. So you can edit you copy your user ID, your channel ID from here. So in order to move a channel, you can do it from here as well, but to delete it, you have an option right here. Click on delete channel. And it will ask you to enter your password first. So make sure to enter your password for verification. Once you enter the password, you have to tap on next. And once you've entered your password, just go to I want to permanently delete my content. And from here, you can choose this right here. So the following will be permanently deleted: your video, your subscriptions, the comments that you made on YouTube, your replies, your YouTube GIF settings, gift settings, and your YouTube and search and watch history. Any paid subscription you want will also be deleted. And from here, you can just click on delete my content and your channel will be deleted. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you on the next one.